India and UK ink the landmark free trade agreement in London, a deal that will transform the economies of both the countries.
आज हमारे संबंधों में एक ऐतिहासिक दिवस है.
It is a deal that will bring huge benefits to both of our countries.
The FTA with India is the UK's most significant bilateral deal since Brexit. The deal signed on Thursday will benefit 99% of Indian exports by removing tariffs. Officials estimate it could boost bilateral trade by over $34 billion annually.
इस समझौते के साथ ही डबल कंट्रीब्यूशन कन्वेंशन पर भी सहमति बनी है. इससे दोनों के सर्विस सेक्टर, विशेषकर टेक्नोलॉजी और फाइनेंस के उसको एक नई ऊर्जा मिलेगी. ईज ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस को गति मिलेगी. कॉस्ट ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस घटेगा और कॉन्फिडेंस ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस बढ़ेगा.
Boosting wages, raising living standards, and putting more money in the pockets of working people. It is good for jobs, it is good for business, cutting tariffs and making trade cheaper, quicker and easier.
The key features include zero duty market access to Indian exporters in textiles and garments. It will help in dismantling export duty disadvantages, boost competitiveness, aid growth in garments and handicraft sectors, and help close the gap with exports from China and Bangladesh. Prime Minister Modi also raised the extradition of alleged scamsters who have taken refuge in the UK.
इकोनॉमिक ऑफेंडर्स के प्रत्यार्पण के विषय पर भी हमारी एजेंसी सहयोग और समन्वय से काम करती रहेगी.
India called for the action against Khalistani extremists.
Those who misuse democratic freedoms to undermine democracy itself must be held accountable.
Prime Minister Modi also reiterated India's fight against terror.
हम एक मत हैं कि आतंकवाद के खिलाफ लड़ाई में दोहरे मापदंडों का कोई स्थान नहीं है.
Both leaders unveiled the UK-India Vision 2035 to deepen cooperation in a rapidly evolving global landscape. But back home, the Congress hit out, saying India doesn't just need free trade, but the return of economic fugitives like Vijay Mallya, Nirav Modi and Lalit Modi. Earlier on his arrival in the UK, Prime Minister was greeted warmly by the Indian diaspora.
मुझे देखना था, मोदी जी को देख लिया, छू भी लिया, इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं था.
The trade deal between India and UK is expected to increase bilateral trade to $120 billion by 2030. Bureau Report, India Today.